Hi students, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As our subscriber demand, today our topic of discussion is letter coding. Okay, before going to start this, I am going to explain what is meant by coding and decoding, and that topic is very important in terms of CSS preparation point of view or PMS preparation point of view. Alright, and that topic is included in the book General Science and Ability. Okay, and that is very helpful in the MPT test as well. So without wasting the time, we are going to start. So first of all, I am going to explain what is meant by code. Code is actually just like a message. Okay, or you can say here the code is a system of signal. Okay, so as you know that the message is sent to sender to the receiver. Okay, from sender to the receiver. Alright, and coding is a method of transmitting a message between the sender and the receiver without any third person knowing it. Okay, so there are the different types of coding, and normally the two major important types of coding, letter coding and number coding, are included in the exams. So the first part, the letter coding, we are going to do. In this question, the real alphabets in a word are replaced by a certain other alphabets according to the specific rule to form its code. The candidate is required to detect the common rule and answer the following questions accordingly. For example, if in a certain language MYSTIFY is coded to NZTUJGZ, how is NEMESIS coded in that language? So look at here, what type of code that will be. So M is replaced by the next letter, that is N. Here is Y, that is replaced by Z. S, that is replaced by T. So it means now we can understand. So each letter in the word MYSTIFY is moved one step forward to obtain the corresponding letter of the code. So NEMSIS, N is replaced by O, E is replaced by F, okay, M, that is N, E, that is F. Okay, so you can see here option B, that is correct. So the detailed explanation that is also given here, you can see. Now we are going to solve the exercises. The first question, okay, here I pasted a table that is helpful to understand according to the numbering. Like I just paste here according to clockwise, like in a circular way. You can make like a table in a, like for example, by putting the number like that. For example, here A, B, C, D, E, F, like that, 1 2 3 4 5 6 in a linear way as well. Okay, but it's your own choice, you can make whatsoever. So the first question is, if in the altered is written as ZOGVIVW, then in the same way related would be written as. So you can see here A is replaced by Z, L is replaced by O. So it means here A, that is replaced by Z. So, and the next you can see L is replaced by L is replaced by which one? O. And the next, that is T is replaced by G. T is replaced by G. So it means here each letter of the word altered is replaced by the letter which occupy the same position from the other end of the English alphabet to obtain the code. How? You can see here A is present at the first, Z is present at the last. Okay, so you can see here G is replaced by T. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. G is present at number 7. So look at here on the other side T, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So T is replaced by G. Okay, and look at here the L, that is replaced by O. So both side you can count 12 here, and here are also 12. Okay, so now you can similarly solve the related one. Okay, R, look at here R is present here at number 18. So count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. At 9 the R is present. Okay, so that is replaced by 9 I. Okay, so here I, the first one. The next one E is present at number 5. So 1 2 3 4 5, that should be V. Next L, so L is present at number 12. So that is already did, that is O. The next, that is A, that is replaced by Z. Okay, and so on. We will see which option is correct. I, V, O, Z. So here V, O, I, Z, that's not correct. I, V, O, G, Z, that's not correct. And here we have option A and B, I, V, O, Z, I, V, O, Z, G, V, W and G, W, V. So obviously G is the common. So here without wasting the time we are going to write G, because G is present in both. Now we will see VW is correct or WV is correct. So for E, so as E, we know that E is equal to V, because we already did E here at number 2 position. Okay, so there should be second last, that should be V. So it means option B is not correct, only option A is correct. Next one, in a certain code triple is written as SQHOOKD. How is dispose written in that code? Okay, look at here, TSRQ. I think you can write in a reverse order. For example, one step backward. It means that each letter in the word is moved one step backward to obtain the corresponding letter of the code, like TS, like ST. I'm going to show this way: ST, QR, HI, OP, OP, KL and DE. Okay, so similarly here D, that should be C, I, that should be H, and then R, because RS, then O, OP, and here O is present, so O is replaced by N, because MNO, okay, and S that is replaced by R, we already did, and E that is replaced by D. So it means here D is not correct, C is not correct, B is not correct, only A is correct. Okay, now next one, if in a code language code is written as BNTKC and margin is written as LZQFHM, how will be molding be written in that code? So look at here, the same way, like CBON, I think the similar way you can say here each letter in the word is moved one step backward to obtain the corresponding letter of the code, like BC, NO, TU, KL, CD. So similarly here M that should be L, A that should be sorry, here we have to do for molding. Okay, M that is written as L. So option A and option D is not correct. We have option B and C. Okay, O, N is here, and U that should be here the backward letter of the U, you can see T. Okay, L and T, so it means option C is correct, not B. Okay, the next one, so here the next one, that is in a certain code monkey is written JXDJMNL, how is tiger written in that code? So here we have four options, Q, D, F, H, S and so on. So now look at the first one, the monkey that is written as XDJMLN. So look at here, we have to move like the last letter, that is Y, and here is X, here is E, here is D. So it means you have to show like that is the reverse order, like X, Y, D, E, J, K, M, N, N, O, L, M. Is it clear? So it means here it would be, here is the T, it should be, you have to start from the last one because that is last should be at the first. So here R, it means here it should be like XY, here it should be S, SR, here is T, sorry, here is E, so it means the next one should be D, and here that is G, so it means the next one should be F, and then I, so it means it should be here H, I, H, and the next one that is T, so here it should be S. Okay, so which option is correct? The option number B, that is correct. And the last one here, the example is, if fragments is written as SBH, SBODEFG, how can imposing be written as? So look at here again, F, here is S, R, A, G, it's okay. Now you look at here, you can exclude the F from here, and the next letter that is R, here is S, R, S, A, B, G, H, and then A, B, sorry, here included, here is R, that is S, and then N, O, C, D, E, F, and the last one G, that is the first one that we excluded, F. So it means it should be at the last, G. So look at here, we have imposing, I'm going to write here, imposing. Okay, so the first letter that should be at the last, so it means I, J, and now you have to start the sequence M, N, P, Q, O, P, S, T, I, J, N, O, G, H. So it means we have N, Q, P, T, J, O, H, J. Okay, so which option is correct? The option number B, that is correct. I hope you understand all the examples and the method how will you solve, and if that is your own common sense, you have your own choice whether you can apply any trick that is helpful for you to solve these questions, such type of questions, in the less time. Okay, so in the next video we will discuss the other examples soon and the other lectures as well regarding CSS. So if you like our video, then kindly subscribe us and share our channel. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.